YouTube? It's your boy, High Tide Chat. As we say out here, yeah! What's good? Welcome back to the video. Yeah, man. So today we about to be talking about how to get straight hair waves. Feel me? But before we get to that, I want to say like, comment, and subscribe. Do all of that good stuff. This is a banger. This one is a banger. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. But let's get to the video. So we left off 2 weeks ago at how to get straight hair waves, the basics. Now let me tell you, this is like part 2 of the basics because I told you we're starting from the ground up. So that means that we are starting literally from the bottom up, going up. So we doing a basics part 2. So I'm gonna just be talking about how I started, the advice that I give you guys, and you know how you can do it. So before we get into the video, let's get into a little wave check. Feel me? A little wave check. So let me just unrag real quick. Hey, we looking good, bro. We looking good. You looking good. So, you know, there's some little forks in there, some missing connections, but we're getting back. We're on the get back. A few weeks ago, we were really spinning. We were deep sea diving, but I got my cut. I didn't brush enough, and you know, I lost some progress, but I'm committed to getting back. You know, we're gonna do maybe like an 8-week wolf. We're gonna do an 8-week wolf. This is gonna be week 2 right now. We're gonna do an 8-week wolf. And we're gonna go 4 or 5 against the grain. Just cause the hair needs to get evened out. Like this side of my hair is super long compared to this side of my hair. So I'm probably gonna go 4 or 5 against the grain just to even out the hair. If I lose some progress, but the get back is gonna be legendary. I'm gonna pop up a video of on the screen right now how I was looking a few weeks ago. But the get back is starting, bro. It's starting. Keep that mindset right. But yeah, let me get into the video. So the basics in this video is what products you're gonna be using, right? I want y'all to not spend too much money, but dedicate some dollars in your budget for the products you need. Because without the tools, the contractor can't build a house. So same way with the waves, without the tools, can't really build your 360 waves. So let me get started. So the first product you're gonna be using is this. This is a soft brush. Soft or bristle brush. It's curved and it's one of those hand grip ones, so it fits firmly in your hand. So this soft brush is what you want to start off with, because if you go into this waving journey and you start off with a hard brush or a medium brush, your scalp is going to be hurting. You're going to have a red scalp, a lot of hair is going to fall out, and that's no good. It's going to hurt. So stick to a soft brush your first few weeks, maybe up to like week 5 or 6. Maybe you want to, check out a soft brush, and use this soft brush for everything. The brush, and brush. I started off not really brushing that much, but maybe like 2-3 weeks into it, I started going ham. I started getting an hour session in, hour and a half session in, and by like week 6, bro, I already started getting waves. So soft brush can go really, really far. You could even use your soft brush when you're at like week 10 for your shower. You know, like this soft brush will go a long way. I didn't get any specific brand at the time because I didn't really know much about waving at the time. I just went to the beauty store and I got this brand called Annie. But if you could get a Torino Pro, it'll do justice. Torino Pro, it like fits your head a lot better and it grabs more hair, so you get waves quicker. But yeah, I got this Annie one and it did just fine for the time that I used it. So yeah, definitely pick yourself up a soft brush. This is necessary. This is what's going to get you waves, the brush. So make sure you get a brush. This thing costs $4, so no excuses. Second thing you're going to need, second thing you're going to want is Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And I know mine looks like it's been through World War X, but this thing, I've honestly bought it and I used it for almost a year now, and it's still going. This is only the 3.2 ounce travel sized one. The 10 ounce one, I didn't think I was going to need it that much. My hair is already curly. Curl Enhancing Smoothie, what it basically is it's a product that helps your hair get more curly. It's one of the only products in the market that will make your hair a little bit more curly. It'll enhance everything. It has the natural oils in here. It's a natural product for the most part. But yeah, this thing will leave your head silky smooth, super hydrated, and it will get your hair a lot more curly. So if you're a type like 2 hair, this can get you from like a 2A to like a 2B or 2C. If you use it enough, because once you put it in there and you brush, man, it's just gonna go in. It's just gonna go in and it's gonna make your hair a lot more curly. I suggest you use this. If you have curly hair already, use this for the first 6 weeks as well. After week 6, you want to start discontinuing this. As you can see, this still has a lot left in it. Well, not a lot, it has like this much left in it. But you could see that this has some left in it, just because I don't use this anymore. I use this maybe once every 2 weeks, right after I shower maybe now. But when you first start off waving, this is going to be your best friend. You want to use this product almost every day. So when your hair grows out, it's growing out more curly. So you're going to put this in your hair, maybe like this much. Maybe a little bit less than that. But you're going to put that much in your hair, and you're going to brush it in. You're going to put it in your hair, brush it in, and then just brush. Brush. Yeah, Curl Enhancing Smoothie is definitely a great product. It's definitely a great product. And I suggest that each and every one of you go pick up some Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This one cost me, I think, like $5 on Amazon, I think. And yeah, it worked really good. I just don't use it, as I said before. I don't use it anymore because my hair is already curly. So I don't really need this as much as someone who has a straighter hair texture than me. So yeah, I pop this in right out the shower now. But beginning, use it every day. Third and final product that y'all want to use. You might think that this product's about to be a comb, but it's not. Because you don't need a comb if your hair is short. Let's remember, beginning, basics. At the very beginning, when you get that 2 or 3 against the grain, you're not using a comb to comb your hair. No comb is picking up your hair. But these first 6 weeks of waving, what's going to work really good is a Ziploc bag. And this Ziploc bag could be any Ziploc bag. This Ziploc bag, you're going to just use it after you brush, after you unrag. You're gonna use it and just go on top of your hair. Glide it. I don't really do this long, but it lays the hairs down nice and neatly. This isn't too much of like a necessity, but it just keeps your hair neat. Yeah. Last, I think I said third and final. No, this is the last product that you're gonna use. You want to get yourself a silk durag. A silky durag, I should say. Satin durag. You don't want to get a silk durag. That's going to be too heavy for your head. You want to get a satin durag. Check out Drippy Rags, King J. There's just different companies out there. I'll start doing durag reviews soon because there's some really trash durags out there, and you're gonna waste your money buying them. But yeah, man, you want to pick yourself up a silky durag. I tend to get ones that have really long straps, so this way it's easier to tie in the back, and ones that have like a 2 to 3 inch like tail flap thing thick, so this way it compresses the top of your head a lot better. And you want to get something that's not too see-through. Something that this one's really see-through. It's very light. I only use this for when I'm like going out somewhere and I need to put on a durag. I use this one. But you're gonna want to get one that's not really see-through. This one's see-through. You want to get a thicker one for when you're sleeping, so it doesn't slide off your head and it doesn't mess up your hair when you're sleeping. You're gonna want to get one that's a little bit thicker. So I suggest check out Drippy Rags. Again, I'm not sponsored by them. I just really like their durags. So yeah, definitely pick yourself up a durag and put this on every night. And if you could, put this on right after you get a brush session in. Put this on directly after you get a brush session in. You're gonna wanna brush, comb, durag. But since the beginning, forget the comb. We're gonna brush, durag. Wear this all day if you can. If you can't, just wear it after you brush, or wear it after you go to sleep. When you go to sleep, put it on just to protect and save your progress. But yeah, that's been the video. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm really just trying to bring these videos out here. So, and it really motivates me when you guys comment, like, and subscribe. It shows that, you know, I'm saying the right things, or you know, you guys are captivated and engaged and you guys want to watch the videos. So it motivates me that when you guys do that. So definitely hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. It's been great. It's high tide. I'll see y'all in next week's video.